typical kind of day today. It's really, really busy as it's a Friday. So we're against the crowds today, but it's our last full day, so we're gonna make the most of it. Rip Ride Rockit. So we just come out of Bourne. Everybody enjoyed it. What do you think of Bourne, everyone?
Yeah, good.
Yeah? Yeah. Cool. And then we'll stop saying cool so much, everything's cool. And then we're all going to go on Rip Ride Rockit. It's going to be the first time for Boy to go on.
What's going on here?
And Holly, you were going on, yeah?
Yeah,
Yeah, excellent. You looking forward to it, Ray? Yeah. It's that first bit going up there. It is, the first bit going up. When you do that first bit, you're thinking, oh my gosh, what have I done? What have I let myself in for? But after that, it's a really good ride. Very, very bumpy, but a very good ride. And the music on there is awesome. What did you think, Holly?
It was good.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm glad I went on it.
Oh, that's good. Would you do it again?
Not again,
No?
but I'm glad I did it.
Would you two do it again? Yeah? Excellent. Yeah, so we survived. It was all good. And I'm glad we all went on. Eleanor didn't, so next time, El. I got the red beans and rice because Pandy had it earlier on. It's quite spicy. Ah,
Hot, mate.
geez, that's hot. Yeah, it's quite spicy and full of red beans. The mac and cheese seems very, very dry. What does it taste like?
Mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese.
Yeah. It's alright, it's just dry.
It's alright, just dry. Mac and cheese and the red beans and rice cost $17.71 with annual pass discount. I managed to get a return time for ET, so wait time is 45 minutes and they gave me a return time for half an hour. That was using our attraction assistance. Oh, now I got an incoming call, just a sec. Yeah, so that's using our attraction assistance pass that we get for medical needs. So with Anthony in a mobility scooter and unable to walk long distances, Universal Studios have been as kind as to give us one of those. It's helpful. Men in Black first, which I'm going to beat them all with my high score.
Aye, right up.
I didn't think you heard me then, Pandy. And then we're going to go over to the Simpsons in Krusty Land and do the Simpsons Ride.
Good, yeah.
The Simpsons, yeah?
Really good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did it make you feel ill at all?
If I look it up, it did.
Yeah.
But if I kept my eyes forward, it was good.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow. Yeah, that sometimes it makes me feel really ill.
Yeah.
And other times I'm fine. I was fine that day. It's really strange. But it does make people motion sickness, The Simpsons, sometimes. So just keep that in mind. And just got a Duff beer. Cheers. Just did ET, didn't we, Pandy?
Yes, we did some photos.
And we had
as
some
well.
photos. We'll show you some photos now.
They're good photos, no?
Yeah, bless him. Bless him and his little finger. Oh, I said some innuendos in there without meaning to. But we won't go there. Right, so we're in the new area here. Is this DreamWorks area?
I think it is, yeah.
Yeah. You have done a full vlog tour of this area. Oh, it's on another video if you'd like to see it all.
Welcome through. For your safety and no running over sled, reclining on the outside play area.
Oh, you should have jumped as you come through the end, but you should have jumped. Don't take the wheelchair. Oh, you're going to take the wheelchair. Oh my God!
This is a new Wicked store. What do you think about the second time?
Good.
Yeah. What did you think about the first time? That's our last full day in the park's over and done with. We ended it on Hagrid, the Hulk, and then lastly Doom, Dr. Doom, Fearful. It's been a really good day and I'm so proud of Kai for going for the first. He's been coming for years and he's never been able to do the Hulk or Rip Ride Rockit before because he hasn't had the nerve, and he's done both today. And Holly, bless her, who's not very good on roller coasters, has also done them. So well done guys, really proud of you. So we're heading back now before we go out tonight to Hard Rock. We got a table booked for 9:15. So we got time to go back out and freshen up and then go back out again. And yeah, mad rush. Yeah.
Hopefully we get back by 7:30. We should have an hour. If we leave there by 6:30, we should get over there and by about 9:15.
Right.
I think we did a shot, right? Oh, we did, didn't we?
Yeah. So thank you very much for watching. And we'll see you next time.